So in this video I'm just going to show you a little bit about the A-frame and flat towing. This is the electric points, these are the safety points, there's a breakaway cable, and this is the brake which pulls the brake on the Jimny. These are the attachments that you put in to attach to the A-frame of the Jimny. You have to excuse the vehicle, I'm travelling so it's very dusty. This is a mechanism that engages the dog clutch. It's a cable based system. You pull out and lock to drive and you push in to tow. The cable runs under the vehicle and into the dog clutch. So here you have the A-frame connected to the Jimny, the various shackles, the breakaway cables, the electrical cable, the brake cable itself and the breakaway cable. Here is the mechanism connected to the tow point of the motorhome. Here are the locking arms. This is the brake cable that goes through an actuator. It does look complicated, but once you understand the setup, it's actually quite easy to use. This is how it looks complete end to end. As I say, there are lots of cables. It does look complicated, but once you have a process, it's very easy.